Today is day 7 of the Pantry challenge. Today we're making Croque Madames for breakfast. Last night I baked some just white bread and we're going to make Croque Madame. So I'm going to set up a little assembly line here. I have 2 sheet trays of bread cut, and I have 8 ounces of Gruyere cheese grated. We're going to make a white sauce. In my pan, I have a tablespoon of butter. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour, and we'll want to cook this for a minute or so. To the roux, we want to add 1.5 cups of milk, and we're going to stir this continually until it starts to thicken. We're going to season with salt and pepper, just to taste. We're adding 1.5 teaspoons of a Dijon mustard, just a pinch of nutmeg if you have it. I'm going to add about 1/3 of that cheese that we grated and incorporate that into the white sauce. And the sauce is done. It's nice and cheesy. It's seasoned well. On one of the slices of bread per sandwich, go ahead and put some of that sauce on there. Now we're going to take a slice of ham. I like to double it so it's twice as thick. And then take some of your grated cheese, sprinkle that on top. And then just put the top bread on. We're going to take these over to a hot griddle. I took some softened butter and just added garlic powder to it, and that's what I'm going to use to fry up these sandwiches. I also have the oven heating to 425. So we're going to grill these on both sides. We just need to toast up the other side and we'll get them back on the sheet tray. And I'll show you what we're going to do to finish these off. Now we're going to take some more of that cheese sauce and put right on top. Sprinkle a little bit of that Gruyere right on top. And we're going to take these right to the hot oven and let that cheese melt. In the meantime, I'm going to be frying up over easy egg to put right on top. This is what they're going to look like. I like to take them out when the cheese is melted and they're just starting to turn brown. To plate it up, you just cook a over easy egg in some of that garlic butter. Put it right on top. Here's my plate. Let's just dig in. Oh my goodness, you can smell that Gruyere cheese, huh? It melts in your mouth. This is so decadent. Lovely. On my birthday, I want this in breakfast in bed. That was definitely a 10 out of 10. Well, this is going to be dinner tonight. I have some French white wine marinated chicken breasts. Had those in the freezer. When I buy bulk chicken, I put different marinades on it and stick it in these bags and put it in the freezer. I love that. I have some green beans. I found 2 of these in the pantry. I don't even know where they came from, but we're going to use that up. I have some lettuce, and I have some day-old sourdough English muffins here, and I'm going to turn those into croutons. Make a Caesar salad and make the rice pilaf, cook up those green beans, and I think I'm just going to bake the chicken on a sheet tray. I chopped up the English muffins and I'm just drizzling a little olive oil on top of them. I also have a little bit of melted garlic butter going right on the top. Give it a toss. I'm going to put these onto a sheet tray and toast them off in the oven. These will make some really delicious croutons for our Caesar salad. Into a 350-degree oven they go. The croutons browned up nicely. I'm just going to let these cool. For the homemade Caesar salad, you will need 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 egg yolks. These are yolks from our chickens. You're going to need an ounce of anchovy fillets. These are the anchovy fillets. I use half of one of these cans, and then I put the other half in a Ziploc bag and throw it in the freezer. And the next time I make the Caesar dressing, I just pull that out. Here's what the ounce of fillets look like. And then these will go into the freezer. The juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of water, a half a cup of avocado oil, and I have a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. I added everything to the food processor except the oil and the Parmesan cheese. We're going to get this blitzed together, and then I'll slowly add in the oil. At the very end, I add in the Parmesan cheese, and I just give it a quick blitz. That's it. Our Caesar salad is all ready to put together. We have the lettuce chopped. I have some sliced Parmesan cheese, and we have the croutons. We're going to toss all that together. Caesar salad is ready to go. The marinated chicken cutlets were placed on the same sheet tray as the croutons. These are going into a 350-degree oven, and it's not going to take long because they're so thin to cook, but they're already seasoned with a wonderful marinade. Dinner couldn't be easier tonight. I sauteed the green beans. We just baked off the chicken. Normally we would put it on the grill, but we're in the middle of a snowstorm. And then I just made the rice pilaf according to the manufacturer's instructions. Let's get it plated. Here's our plates. We have the rice pilaf, the baked chicken, the sauteed green beans, and the Caesar salad. And this is the end of week 1 of the Pantry Challenge, and I'm having a blast. I hope you guys are too.